Alright traders, I'm about to take a lower high confirmation setup with a second entry short fell breakout following the trading rules, but it needs to get a break below this bearish signal bar. Alright, so we got filled on the lower high confirmation setup and I'm playing the trading range rules. As you can see, this was a very long and healthy trading range. We had a failed breakout, second entry short. This downtrend didn't get a retest of a new extreme, so I didn't really like selling just yet. But now we have first entry long right into the resistance of the key level, big tier 1 signal bar, broke below EMA, confirmation of two scenarios, the second entry short and also the failed breakout. Because it's such a great signal bar, you know, I have to take it. We're holding the lower high confirmation setup, and even though there's tiny bullish imbalance, but I cannot overthink it too much because the market is just so sideways and I have to follow the trading rules. I have to trust the price action rules. Buy low, sell high. We're bouncing back zero. We got filled. I'm going to take the runner exactly around these lows. I'm not going to be too greedy because this is a tight trading range and you expect market to pivot upon reaching the key levels. So you can see the second entry short was already pretty tempting. You could have considered, but because there was a slight high low, I waited for a confirmation. It confirmed the second entry short fell breakout. And once again, it is going against your common sense because you have to trust the price action rules. You can see the market going higher and everything in your body is screaming, I have to go long here. This is why all these weak bulls, they're going to get trapped buying the first entry long, but you have to follow the range rules. Buy low, sell high. Most breakouts will fail. We had exact lesson about this yesterday when we had failed breakout to the bottom and higher low confirmation. Now we had failed breakout to the top and lower high confirmation setup. Great textbook price action. All right, traders, and we just reached our 4.5 point runner. So I could have squeezed a little bit more. We're not going to be too greedy. We're bouncing off the support. We're going to be following the price action rules. And in the long run, we'll be on the right side.